Welcome to our detailed review of the top 5 best tennis rackets in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this video covers the latest innovations, performance insights, and expert recommendations to elevate your game. Stay tuned until the end to discover a surprising feature in the #1 racket that could change how you play forever. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The Head Radical MPG 360 Plus Racket. Whether you're a seasoned player or looking to upgrade your game, this mid-plus marvel might just be the racket you've been waiting for. Head's legacy goes beyond tennis. It's built on a reputation of precision engineering in sports. Known for modernizing both skiing and tennis gear, Head consistently delivers top-tier equipment. The Radical MPG 360 Plus continues that tradition, blending innovative materials with professional-grade performance for today's competitive player. This racket strikes a perfect balance. With a 98-inch head size and a 300 grams frame, it's ideal for intermediate to advanced players. It offers controlled power, so you can swing big without losing accuracy. The Radical MP's mid-plus design makes it versatile across all court types and playing styles. Thanks to Head's spiral fiber technology, this racket delivers a clean, crisp feel with every swing. The energy transfer is outstanding, especially on impact. The headlight balance provides quick maneuverability, allowing for sharper volleys and more dynamic returns in fast-paced matches. Durability meets lightweight design in the Radical MP. The graphene-infused spiral construction ensures long-term resilience without sacrificing feel. It's solid, dependable, and built to withstand intense match play. You'll feel the difference in your hands and your game. Overall, the Head Radical MPG 360 Plus is a high-performance racket with smart design and serious staying power. If you want precision, control, and comfort all in one, give this one a swing. Number 4. The Tecnifibre T-Fight ISO 300 Tennis Racket. A frame that blends power, precision, and comfort in one sleek package. Whether you're a competitive player or just improving your game, this review will help you decide if it's right for you. Right out of the box, the T-Fight ISO 300 impresses with its sharp design and premium graphite construction. The frame feels solid yet maneuverable. With a 98 square-inch head and a 22.5 millimeters beam, it strikes a perfect balance between control and power. Plus, it just looks awesome. Weighing in at 300 grams or 10.6 ounces unstrung, it offers a comfortable swing. The 320 millimeters balance helps players whip through shots without sacrificing stability. It's light enough for quick reactions at the net, but heavy enough to generate depth from the baseline. The 16x19 string pattern is great for players who love topspin. It grips the ball well and gives you that satisfying pop on contact. If you're looking to add variety with slices or kick serves, this racket offers great responsiveness. Tecnifibre nailed the feel with this one. Each shot gives precise feedback without harsh vibrations. Whether you're rallying or finishing points at the net, the control is impressive, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced players. The T-Fight ISO 300 delivers a strong all-court performance. It's versatile, fast, and consistent. From baseline rallies to quick volleys, it keeps up with your game. If you want a modern racket with classic feel, this one's worth a try. That's our quick review. If you've tried the T-Fight ISO 300, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Number 3. The Yonex EZONE 98. With its 98 square-inch head size, this racket strikes a perfect balance of control, power, and comfort. Let's break it down. Right out of the bag, the EZONE 98 feels premium. Its sleek blue finish and aerodynamic frame scream style and performance. The 98 square-inch head gives it a clean, compact look, offering a more controlled sweet spot for confident swings and precise placement. It's eye-catching and functional. This racket truly shines in the power-to-control ratio. You get enough pop for deep baseline shots without sacrificing accuracy. Its tighter string pattern helps dial in placement, so you can go for riskier angles with confidence. It rewards clean technique while still being forgiving on off-center hits. Thanks to its slightly open string pattern and flexible frame, the EZONE 98 generates solid topspin. It's not a spin monster like some others, but you'll get reliable grip on the ball, especially on ground strokes and kick serves. Spin comes naturally with the right motion. The updated vibration dampening mesh does wonders here. Whether you're playing long rallies or coming back from an injury, the EZONE 98 keeps things arm-friendly. You'll notice fewer harsh vibrations and more plush contact. It's great for players who value both comfort and responsiveness. This racket is perfect for intermediate to advanced players who love to attack but want precision too. If you're all about controlled aggression and feel, the EZONE 98 won't disappoint. It's also a great option for all-court players looking to dominate both from the baseline and at net. So, is the Yonex EZONE 98 worth it? Absolutely. With its sleek design, blend of control and power, and solid comfort, it's a top-tier choice. Try it out and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Number 2. The Head Gravity Tour Tennis Racket. A frame designed for aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. If you're seeking control, feel, and spin, this might just be your new favorite weapon. Let's explore what makes this racket stand out on the court. The Gravity Tour boasts a sleek, modern design with a rounded 98 square inch head. Its asymmetric color scheme catches the eye, while the dense 16/19 string pattern ensures great ball feedback. Head's Graphene 360 Plus tech gives it a smooth flex and solid, connected feel during every shot. Weighing 305 grams unstrung with a 320 millimeters balance point, the Gravity Tour is slightly headlight, offering excellent maneuverability. You'll feel it shine on fast rallies and quick volleys, keeping your arm fresh while delivering enough mass to drive through the ball with solid power and control. Precision players will love this frame. The 630 square centimeters head size and flexible beam provide excellent control, especially on flatter shots and slices. The feel is plush and responsive, perfect for those who like to dictate points with thoughtful shot placement and varied spins. The open 16/19 string pattern allows for impressive spin generation. Whether you're hitting heavy topspin from the baseline or brushing up on kick serves, this racket gives you the grip and snap to keep opponents on their toes, without sacrificing directional control. On court, the Gravity Tour excels in consistency and comfort. From aggressive baseline exchanges to touch volleys, it adapts well to different playstyles. It's ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want a reliable, all-around performer that offers a professional-grade feel. Overall, the Head Gravity Tour is a well-balanced racket offering superb control, feel, and spin. If you're looking to elevate your game with a modern frame that delivers precision and comfort, this might be the one. Number 1. The Babolat Pure Drive Gen 11, a racket built for power, precision, and all-around performance. Let's get into it. The Pure Drive Gen 11 is perfect for players looking to dominate with versatility. Whether you're hitting from the baseline or finishing at the net, this racket gives you the flexibility to control every point. It's user-friendly, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced players chasing a dynamic game. This racket is packed with Babolat's best tech for explosive power and control. The FSI power system, diamond-shaped grommets, and woofer tech combine to boost string snapback and ball contact. The result? More energy transfer, greater power, and pinpoint precision on every shot. Thanks to the new NF2 Tech 2.0, the feel of this racket is simply unmatched. Natural flax fibers in the throat absorb unwanted vibrations, allowing only the cleanest, most comfortable feedback to reach your hand. Plus, that signature Pure Drive sound is back, crisp and powerful. This racket features a 100 square inch head, 11.2 ounces strung weight, and a 16/19 string pattern. Its 27-inch length and headlight balance offer excellent maneuverability. Crafted from graphite with a blue finish, it delivers performance with style. Babolat continues to lead with innovation. With over 150 years of expertise, they've fine-tuned every inch of this racket to meet the demands of modern players. It's no surprise top players trust Pure Drive on the biggest stages. So if you're seeking power, feel, and versatility in one racket, the Babolat Pure Drive Gen 11 is a top contender.